Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change keyboard language on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all, you have to get keyboard on your screen, so you can do it by using a browser, for example. You have to get keyboard like this, and now click on this settings button over here, and here you can find languages section. So open it and click add keyboard. Here you have to select language that you want from this list. So let's take this one for example and click done over here. And as you can see, I have this language over here, and also you can edit your keyboard languages by using this pencil in the top right corner. So you can select language that you want to remove and click this trash bin icon. And now you have this keyboard over here. And also I will show you if you want to have like couple of languages, you can simply add the language, and now I have two languages over here. So go back and you can select language that you want by using this icon over here, this globe icon. As you can see, I have now English, and I can switch for this language. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.